Okay, Becky, well, we'll have to see. There is concern that these two officials have announced their retirement coming up at the end of October and in November. It's Dr. Marion Gruber and Dr. Phil Krause. Marion Gruber is the head of the FDA's Office of Vaccines Research and Review. Phil Krause is the deputy director of that office. This is raising questions. My own reporting has suggested there is some discomfort, some discontent at the FDA in how the White House handled the booster discussion, essentially coming out and saying that people would have the opportunity to get boosters at the end of September before the FDA has even gone through the review process. Also, some reporting suggesting these folks might have been disgruntled over the CDC's role, even sort of front-running FDA as well. I posed these questions at the White House COVID briefing yesterday to Jeff Zients and asked him if he's concerned about the pace of the approvals and trust in the FDA. Here's what he said.
FDA is the gold standard, and we are all grateful for the tireless work of the senior team and the whole staff at FDA, especially during the pandemic. FDA has strong leadership in Dr. Woodcock and Dr. Peter Marks at the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research.
Acting Commissioner Dr. Janet Woodcock coming out with a memo to staff yesterday saying that, in part, we've put together a plan that will allow us to continue prioritizing science while meeting timelines that are important to ensuring the end of this devastating pandemic. Becky, as you said, there's a lot on FDA's plate right now when it comes to the COVID vaccines. Of course, considering the boosters ahead of that September 20th plan for potentially making them available broadly. Also, vaccines for kids, Pfizer's vaccine for under age 12. As Dr. Gottlieb has said, and I'm sure you'll talk with him about, that's expected to come up in the November-December timeframe. And they have Moderna's application for full approval. So a lot for the FDA to be doing on vaccines right now.